Mugaru na muhatikano wa aguri uria ukoragwo kuo nduka-ini nyingi cia supermarket riu maundu merekeire gucenjia thutha wa watho wa thirikari kuri ene nduka ici kunyihia namba ya aguri aria maratungatirwo ino ari njira imwe ya kurigiriria gutherema kwa murimu wa coronavirus. Akiaria hindi ya gikaro na andiki a mohoro, Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Kagwe nioritie ene nduka ici kugia na mutaratara wa gutungatira aguri ari hamwe na uria andu mangikinyirio motungata maya micini yao.
It is a person at a time. A person at a time. We do not expect people to go to supermarkets or other social areas bunched together with their children, with their families. Those must be left at home. Shopping should be restricted to one person.
Watho uyu oho kinyihia mathaa ma andu aria mendete ndumo nyumba-ini cia gwikenia hamwe na irabu cia wendia wa njohi.
All entertainment areas, bars and other social spaces are to close their doors to the public by 7:30 every day until further notice. Effective Monday, the 23rd of March 2020. During operational hours, all such facilities are to define the maximum number of persons within their premises at any given time, so as to conform to the social distance of 1.5 meters apart.
Ona kuhanoro uguo, ene mikawa na nduka ingi cia wendia wa irio nimetikiritio guthie na mbere no magathingatwo kugacirithia utheru na gwithema wingi wa andu na otaguo aria mendagia mihiriga ya irio thoko-ini cia nja makiurio guthingata utheru thoko-ini.
Vegetable markets in particular are required to ensure that their goods are displayed on raised platforms and waste and other garbage is collected daily.
Mutahi augite mihango ya thirikari kuhura dawa tauni-ini ngurani no iguthie na mbere niguo kunyihia uhotekeku wa gutherema kwa murimu uyu.
Tomorrow we will embark as a ministry on a major cleanup of fumigation, starting with the Gikomba market tomorrow. As soon as the markets open, there will be nobody there tomorrow because of the prayers, and therefore we will go there in their absence and fumigate everything.
Ihinda-ini riu arugamiriri a thibitari ciothe ni moritio kunyihia namba ya andu aria maraingira kuona arwaru na gwitikiria o aria mari na itumi njiganiru.
Such persons will be allowed access for purposes of facilitating specific requests pertaining to patient care, among them being blood organ donation, payment of bills, discharge of patients and such necessary activity.
Thirikari yugite ni haririirie kuhurana na murimu uyu na njira ciothe no nao a Kenya magathingatwo kunyita itemi na kurumirira mitaratara iria igathikitwo niguo kunyihia ugwati wa murimu uyu uria kinyagia riu uragite andu matanyihiire 10,000. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.